Okay, so now let us have solving quadratic inequalities. Ito na yung part 2 ng ating discussion. Okay? So, last time kapag nagsosolve tayo ng quadratic equation, example, x squared plus 3x plus 4, example lang to equals 0. Diba ang sinusolve natin ay yung value ng x at saka yung value ng x sub 1 and value of x sub 2. So, hinahanap natin ay dalawang solution. Okay? But this time, sa quadratic inequalities, pag sinabi nating inequalities, meron tayong solution set. So, that means kapag sinabi nating solution set, group of numbers sila. Okay? Now, wherein, kapag sinubstitute natin yung mga solutions na yon o yung mga values na yon sa ating inequalities, magkakaroon tayo ng true statement. So, once na nag-true yon, that means part yun ng solution set ng isang quadratic inequalities. Okay? So, now let's proceed. Let's have solving x squared, or let us solve x squared minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. So, this is less than. Okay? Ulitin lang natin kapag greater than or less than, ang ating circle is hollow. I mean, hollow lang siya. Walang laman sa loob. Okay? So, hollow lang yan. Kapag naman may equal sa baba, that means we have a solid circle. Okay? Solid yung circle natin. Okay? Shaded. That means shaded siya nun. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, hollow yan. Pero tignan pa rin natin if yung masosolve nating value ng x ay part ng solution set. Okay? So, ngayon, paano yung pag-solve ng ganito? Same pa rin siya kung paano kayo mag-solve ng equation. So, we're going to use one of the 4 methods na itinuro sa inyo. Okay? So, let's use the quadratic formula. So, ito yung negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4a times c all over 2 times a. So, dito, pag ginagamit natin quadratic formula, kailangan naka-standard form yan. So, we need to check if ang given natin na inequality is in standard form. Ang ibig sabihin ng standard form, kailangan 0 na lang yung matitira dun sa right side. Okay? So, since ito ay 0 yung nasa right side, that means naka-standard form yan. So, ngayon, let us identify the values of A, B, and C. So, anong value ng A? So, ito yon, yung katabi ng x squared. Value ng B, yung number mismo. Kapag walang nakalagay dyan na number, that means 1 yon. And the value of C. Yung C, ito yon. Okay? So, the value of A is 1 kasi walang naka-indicate. The value of B is negative 2. And the value of C is negative 3. Okay? So, once alam na natin yung values ng A, B, and C, pwede na natin yung i-substitute sa ating formula. So, we have x equals negative. Ang B natin is negative 2. Okay? Plus, minus, square root of b squared. B is negative 2 squared minus 4 times A. Ang A natin is 1 and C is negative 3. So, we need to extend all these lines para hindi tayo malito. All over 2 times A. And A natin is 1. So, x equals, solve na natin. So, negative 2 times negative, the answer is positive 2. So, negative times negative is positive. Then, 2 yon. Plus, minus. What is negative 2 times negative 2? So, the answer is positive 4. Next. Next is, multiply lang natin yung sign muna. Start tayo sa sign. Negative times positive is negative. Times negative again, the answer is positive. Magiging positive siya na. Okay? Next, number naman tayo. 4 times 1, 4 times 3. That's 12. all over 2 times 1, that is 2. Wait lang, ayusin natin. So, the answer is 2. Okay? So, work out natin yung nasa loob ng radical. We have 2 plus minus. What is 4 plus 12? The answer is 16 over 2. Next, kunin natin yung square root ng 16. And what's the square root of 16? So, tama. That is 4. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 4 dyan. Plus, minus, then 2. Okay? Rewrite lang natin yung iba nun. Next, let us solve. X sub 1. So, since dalawa yung sign ng 4 dyan, positive and negative, isa-separate natin yan. So, yung una, 2 plus 4 all over 2. Yung pangalawa naman, x sub 2 equals yung minus naman sa kanya. 2 minus 4 over 2. Okay? So, work out muna natin yung x sub 1. X sub 1 equals 2 plus 4. That is 6 over 2. And what is 6 over 2? What is 6 divided by 2? So, the answer is 3. So, that's the first value of x. Let's solve x sub 2. So, what is 2 minus 4? So, minus lang natin. The answer is 2. Then, follow the sign of the bigger number. That is negative. Divide by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. And negative divided by positive, the answer is negative. So, x sub 2 is negative 1. Okay? So, once na nakuha na natin yung values ng x, magdodrawing na tayo ng line, number line. So, dito yung 0, siya yung nasa gitna. This is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Kayong bahala kung hanggang saan yung gusto nyong ilagay, no? Okay. So, ngayon, magdodrawing yan tayo ng circle muna. Hindi natin alam kung part yun ng solution, okay? So, graph natin yung 3, and 3 is here. Dito, positive yan. Huwag nyo munang isosolid yung mismong circle. Then, negative 1. Ito naman ang negative 1. Gamit ako ng ibang kulay, ha? Yan. Ay, wait lang, mali. Napunta sa 0. So, negative 1 ito. Yan. O, ngayon, paano ko malalaman alin dyan ang solution set? So, ang gagawin niya natin, mahati yung line natin, number line, sa tatlong section or tatlong region. Yan. So, yung unang region, ito yon, region 1. Yan. Ibig sabihin lahat ng mga nasa papunta doon hanggang negative 1. Yung region 2 naman, start dito sa negative 1 hanggang positive 3. Yung region 3 naman, start sa 3, pataas. Papunta doon, papunta siya doon. Okay? So, ngayon, pipili tayo ng value dyan sa bawat region. Siyempre, isama na rin natin yung negative 1. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 5, answer. 5 trials. Magkakaroon tayo ng 5 trials there. Okay? So, start muna tayo dito sa region 1. So, dito sa mga numbers na to, sa mga numbers na yan, pipili ka kung anong gusto mo. Okay? Let's say, ang gusto ko is negative 2. Siyempre, mas piliin mo yung mas maliit na number para hindi ka masyado mahirapan. Okay? So, next is ito. Ito, try natin yung x equals negative 1. Region 2 naman tayo. Pili lang kayo dito sa gitna. Kung anong gusto yung number, pwedeng 0, 1, or 2. Siyempre, piliin ko yung 0. Mas madali yun eh. Next. Try din natin si 3. Para alam ko kung hollow or solid. No? Next, region 3 naman tayo. So, syempre, gusto ko 4. Mas madali kapag mas maliit yung number. Okay? So, magte-test trial tayo dyan. So, we have, region tayo. Ano yung mga test points natin? Okay, once na ma-identify natin test points, substitute lang natin siya dun sa inequalities natin. Yung inequalities natin is x squared minus 2x minus 3. Ano kasi yun? Less than or greater than? Less than 0. Then, result. Is it true or false siya nun, no? Okay, already. Sa region 1 muna tayo. Region 1, ang test points natin is x is equal to negative 2. So, substitute lang natin yung negative 2 na yon dito sa formula. Dito sa formula yan. So, substitute. So, we have negative 2. Kapalitan lang si x ng negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 minus 3 less than 0. Okay? So, work out natin. Negative 2 times negative 2, the answer is positive 4. Minus, negative times negative, that's positive. 2 times 2, 4. Minus 3, less than 0. So, 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 3 is 5. Tama? 5 is less than 0. Ang 5 ba mas mababa sa 0? Kasi 5 less than 0. So, ang sagot dito is false. Kasi hindi naman mas mababa si 5 kay 0. Tama? So, false yan. So, extend lang natin to. Okay, try naman natin yung x is equal to negative 1. Yan, yung pangalawa yan, ha? So, negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 minus 3 less than 0. So, what is negative 1 times negative 1? Positive 1 yun. Negative times negative, positive 2. Kasi 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 3 less than 0. So, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So, 0 less than 0. Eh, hindi naman equal to. So, that means 0 less than 0 by less than sa 0. So, that means that is false. Kasi equal sila, hindi man sila less than. Okay? So, false din yon. So, ang nangyayari dyan, hollow yon yung ating circle dito, hollow. Okay? Bilog lang siya. Okay? Ayan, bilog lang to. Hindi yan kukulayan sa loob. Okay? So, next, doon naman tayo sa x is equal to 0. Ito, yung region 2. Region 2 na tayo, ha? So, region 2. So, we have 0. Kasi ang x natin ay 0. 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 3 less than 0. Okay? So, 0 times 0 is 0. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. So, matitira is negative 3 less than 0. Ang negative 3 ba ay mas mababa sa 0? Yes or no? Yes. Kasi kung titignan mo, ito, nandito si negative 3, nandito si 0. Kung sino yung nasa left, siya yung pinakamababa. And negative 3, nasa left siya ng 0. So, that means mababa siya. So, ito ba ay true or false? So, syempre, negative 3 is less than. So, mababa siya sa 0. That is true. So, okay na tayo doon. Oops. Okay. Next, dun naman tayo sa pangalawang test points. X is equal to 3. So, we have 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 3 less than 0. So, what is 3 times 3? That's 9. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6 minus 3 less than 0. So, 9 minus 6, that is negative 3. Positive 3 minus 3 less than 0. And 3 minus 3 is 0. At ito, 0 is not less than 0. They are equal. Kaya the answer here is false. So, yan. Di na pwede yan. Doon na tayo sa last test points. The last test points is 4. Region 3. X is equal to 4. So, 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 3 less than 0. What is 4 times 4? The answer is 16 minus 8 minus 3 less than 0. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Tama? Minus 3 less than 0. 8 minus 3 is 5 less than 0. Positive 5 is not less than 0. So, ang sagot dito is false. So, saan lang siya nag-true? Nag-true lang yan dito sa region 2. So, saan yung region 2? Ito yung region 2. Nandito siya. So, ibig sabihin, ito yan. Kung i-graph natin yan. Yan. So, yun yung sagot natin yan. Ngayon, yung 3, di ba nag-false yun? So, ibig sabihin, hollow lang to. Bilog lang siya. Okay? Bilog lang. So, yung shade lang natin ito niya. Yung sa gitna sa region 2. Okay? So, yun yung magiging sagot natin yan. Okay? So, that's it for example number 1. So, ganyan yung gagawin nyo yan dun sa activity ninyo.